Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to update Binance application. For that, make sure you go to your App Store. Now, at the App Store, the first thing you can do is you can tap at the search bar at the bottom right. And at the search bar, you can simply search for Binance. Now, simply tap on the app. And now here you will notice that if you need an update, then you will be seeing an update option. And you need to tap on it and it will be updated, but mine is currently updated, so you cannot see the option. Another thing you can do is you can go back, and at the top you can see a profile icon at the right side. You need to tap on it and you'll be led to this kind of interface, and at the downside you can see this update all option. And if your Binance application needs the update, then you will be seeing an application over here and you will be seeing update option at the side like this. And you need to simply tap on it and it will be updated, but currently mine is already updated. But this is how you can update your Binance application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.